Teachers have important jobs. They help students learn and grow. Good communication is important for good teaching. When teachers communicate well, they can build strong relationships. This is true for relationships with students, parents, and other teachers. Good communication is not just about speaking clearly, it is also about showing respect. It means listening carefully to others. When people feel respected, they are more likely to listen to each other. This helps everyone work together. Professional communication is important in every part of a teacher's day. It helps teachers explain lessons clearly. It helps them talk to parents about their children. It even helps teachers work together as a team. Greetings are the first words we say to someone. They are very important. A good greeting can make someone feel welcome and respected. There are different greetings for different situations. Some greetings are formal, others are informal. Formal greetings are used in more serious situations. Informal greetings are used with people we know well.
Here are some examples of formal and informal greetings. Formal. Good morning, Miss Beckley. How are you today?
Informal. Hi, Thomas. How's it going?
When choosing a greeting, think about the situation. Think about the person you are greeting. Are you greeting a colleague? Are you greeting a parent? Choose the greeting that is right for that person and situation. Using polite words is very important. They show respect. They make others feel good. Using polite words can make a big difference in how people treat you. Here are some examples of polite words that teachers can use.
Please use this word when you are asking for something. Example, could you please pass out these papers?
Thank you. Use this word when someone does something for you. Example, thank you for your help, Fadi.
Excuse me. Use this word when you need to interrupt someone or get their attention. Example, excuse me, Dr. Aaron, do you have a moment?
Using these magic words shows good manners. Good manners are important for everyone, especially teachers. First impressions are important. When you meet someone for the first time, you want to make a good impression. A good introduction can help you do that. When introducing yourself, be sure to smile and make eye contact. Say your name clearly. Tell the person something about yourself. For example, you could tell them what you teach.
To a colleague. Hello, my name is Lemlem. I'm the new English teacher. It's nice to meet you.
To a parent. Good morning, my name is Gulid. I'm your child's math teacher. It's a pleasure to meet you. After you introduce yourself, ask the other person a question. This shows that you are interested in them. It helps to start a conversation. For example, you could ask, what do you teach? To a colleague, or how is child's name doing in class? To a parent. Remember, a good introduction can be the start of a positive relationship.